Today I'm in Simi Valley at the Simi Valley Towncenter. I'm gonna go visit Bree from Brees Cakes. She's an award-winning cake maker. Let's go see what she's got. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Simi Valley, California, subscribe below and tap the notification bell so you can be aware of everything that's happening right here in Simi Valley, California. My name is Steve Hise, my partner is Trisha Garcia. We're your neighborhood realtors bringing the community together. All right, let's go check out Brees Cakes. Okay, so today we are at Brees Cakes in Simi Valley at the Simi Valley Towncenter. I'm here with Bree Miller. Bree, tell us a little bit about what inspired you to open up your shop here in the town center. Like, what inspired you to open Brees Cakes?
So I started as an online bakery when I was in college, and I was just baking cakes for fun, and I never thought in a million years I would own a bakery. It was never in the cards for me, but I fell in love with it, and it grew this huge passion, and so I kind of just ran with it. I started posting my work on social media, and it kind of was just a snowball effect, and it just grew into this massive.
All right, so the word is out that you have been on Cake Wars and you're like the grand prize winner, right? Tell us a little bit about that.
So I've been on a lot of TV shows. Okay. Cake Wars was really fun. Yeah, it was a competition series on Food Network. Okay. We've also been on like Bake or Break, Cupcake Wars, Big Time Bake. Pretty much every baking show you've seen, I've probably been on it.
So you're not just running like a regular bakery here. I mean, you're talking about like premier cakes, like the cakes that you can't just find at a local bakery. Like,
right,
you are it.
Yeah,
right?
I pride myself in creating like one-of-the-kind, over-the-top custom cakes. So that's what people come to me for.
Okay, so also, you make cakes, you make cupcakes.
Yep.
I saw some rainbow bagels back
there. Yes, everything colorful.
Like, what else can the community expect when they come into your shop? What else can they buy?
So we also, since we moved to Simi, we're actually planning on expanding and doing classes, so cake decorating classes, birthday parties. So not only are we going to be your go-to person for desserts, but also just to have a good time. So we're excited about that.
Hey Bree, so if this is my first time coming in, what is a favorite or what is a community favorite that a lot of people are ordering? What must I try?
So we have created a full drink menu also. So the mermaid lemonade has been our top seller drink. Okay. As far as desserts go, red velvet Oreo brownies, top seller, and our strawberry shortcake cupcakes.
So Bree, if someone wants to come in and order a special custom cake, how do they get a hold of you?
So the best way I always say is to come in. I love meeting face to face with my clients. We are up at the Simi Valley Towncenter, Unit 735. You can also give us a call at 805-444-2733 or shoot us an email at info@breescakes.com.
All right, so there it is, Simi Valley. If you have any needs for cakes, cupcakes, rainbow bagels,
everything sweet, everything sweet,
anything sweet, and you have an event, whether it's a wedding or a birthday or some sort of a party or celebration, come in to Brees Cakes, visit with Bree, sit down with her, discuss what kind of design you want, and she'll hook you up, right? And one last question, is there any chance you want to share with the community your secret recipe?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. You'll have to come experience this for yourself.
Perfect. All right, there it is, Simi Valley. Come visit Bree.